In this lesson, we are going to practice estimation with division. Estimating quotients. We will start with the problem 364 divided by 9. It's important that you understand the vocabulary with division. 364 is the dividend, 9 is the divisor, and your answer is the quotient. First, ask yourself, what are the multiples of the divisor? I'm going to list out the multiples. Remember, that is the answers to multiplication problems you get with using the factor. So we are going to list the multiples of 9. And since our dividend is 364, I'm going to list the multiples between 300 and 400. Next, we need to ask ourselves, which multiple is the closest to the beginning digits of the dividend? Well, the dividend would fall between the two multiples of 360 and 369. So next, which one's closer to 364? 360. So that is what we're going to substitute our dividend of 364 for 360. And rewrite your equation, 360 divided by 9. Estimate your quotient. 360 divided by 9 is 40. So 364 divided by 9 is about 40. Look at your examples. 1, 2, and 3 are what we are going to work through. First, example 1, 23 divided by 6. 23 divided by 6. List 3 division facts with 6 as the divisor. Think of your multiples. What are your multiples of 6 that are close to 23? 18 divided by 6, 24 divided by 6, and 30 divided by 6. Which dividend is closest to the original? 24 divided by 6, which equals 4. So 23 divided by 6 is about 4. Let's look at the next example. 28 divided by 3. List 3 division facts with 3 as a divisor. So multiples of 3 that are close to 28 would give us 24 divided by 3, 27 divided by 3, and 30 divided by 3. Which one is the closest to the original? 27 divided by 3, which equals 9. So 28 divided by 3 is about 9. Our last example, the 35 divided by 9. Again, list 3 division facts with 3 as the divisor. So thinking of multiples of 3, we could use 27 divided by 9, multiples of 9, 36 divided by 9, and 45 divided by 9. Which dividend is the closest to 35? Well, that would be our 36 divided by 9, which equals 4. So 35 divided by 9 is about 4. Continue working the example problems and then go on into your classwork.